Missus and I loaded up the truck and drove to town. Went for a walk down Main Street on a new spring day. Then this cute young thing caught my eye, caused my head to jerk. It was then the lights went out, all went black. Next thing I know, I woke up with a doctor hanging over me, asking me if I was okay. Did I remember anything? Here's just sitting over in the corner with a concerned look. She spoke up and said he just had a spell. Doctor said I might need more testing. I've had too many spells over the years. Could be I've got some kind of bubbles on the brain. It was then I saw it, my red handle pipe wrench that been missing for years. It was peeking out of her purse. Never knew it would fit in such a tiny bag. Imagine that, feeling like I might have something wrong. No bubbles on my brain, just a pipe wrench whacking the brain pain.